لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك.
How to perform Hajj. Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca, is a deeply meaningful journey for Muslims worldwide. Hajj is a once-in-a-lifetime obligation for those who meet certain conditions. 1. Maturity. Children are not required to perform Hajj, but they can go with their parents. 2. Sanity. Those who are not mentally sound are exempt from the obligation. 3. Capability. This includes having enough time, physical health, a safe and open route to Mecca, and the financial means to cover the journey and support oneself and one's family. If someone meets these conditions but does not go on Hajj, they commit a sin and must fulfill their obligation as soon as possible. The person who meets all the conditions should perform Hajj themselves. They cannot delegate someone else to perform it unless they are physically unable due to old age or illness. Hajj comes in 3 forms: Hajj at-Tamattu, Hajj al-Qiran, and Hajj al-Ifrad. Those living over 48 miles away from Mecca usually perform Hajj at-Tamattu, which is the most common type. Let's focus on Hajj at-Tamattu, which includes 2 parts: Umrah at-Tamattu and Hajj at-Tamattu. Umrah at-Tamattu involves 1. Ihram. Enter a state of ritual purity, wearing specific clothing. Men wear 2 white seamless cloths, and women wear modest loose attire. Make your intentions clear at the miqat location. 2. Tawaaf. Walk around the Kaaba 7 times, counterclockwise, while reciting prayers. 3. Tawaaf prayer. Pray 2 units of salah after the tawaaf. 4. Sa'iy. Walk 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa to honor Hajara's search for water for her son Ismail. 5. Taqsir. Trim your hair as a sign of renewed dedication to God. Once these steps are complete, what was previously forbidden becomes allowed again. Hajj at-Tamattu consists of the following: 1. Enter a state of Ihram from Mecca. 2. Spend time at Arafat from noon until sunset on the 9th of Dhul-Hijjah. 3. Stay at Mash'ar al-Haram Muzdalifah from dawn until sunrise on the day of Eid al-Adha. 4. Go to Mina and throw pebbles at the large pillar on the 10th of Dhul-Hijjah. 5. Offer a sacrifice in Mina on Eid al-Adha. 6. Shave or trim your hair, symbolizing a new beginning. After these steps, everything except relations with your spouse and pleasant scents becomes permissible again. 7. Perform Tawaaf Ziyarat, 7 circuits around the Kaaba. 8. Pray 2 rak'ah after Tawaaf. 9. Walk between Safa and Marwa. Completing these steps makes pleasant scents permissible again. 10. Perform another Tawaaf around the Kaaba called Tawaaf and Nisa. Pray 2 rak'ah after Tawaaf and Nisa. Completing these steps allows relations with your spouse again. 12. Stay in Mina on the nights of the 11th and 12th and sometimes 13th of Dhul-Hijjah. 13. Stone the 3 pillars on the 11th and the 12th and sometimes 13th days of Dhul-Hijjah. After completing the stoning ritual, the pilgrimage is complete. Remember to follow the guidance of knowledgeable scholars and authorities overseeing Hajj for a safe and spiritually enriching experience. As always, for more information, visit www.findtruth.co.uk.